Hey, what's going on guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make my Lego puzzle box and my fourth Lego puzzle box, and let's get started. So first, you need to start off with a 6x6 base plate and put like smooth piece here except for here except for here, except for over here. There. Now take one or two bricks, put it right here, there, and take one brick, put it right here, right there. Then now, I want you to build this key, and I can show you to build it. So this key, when you put it here, it could slide like this. Like that. So I can show you to build it. So take a 2x2 plate and a 1x4 plate, and on the front get a 1x4 split piece and a 1x2 split piece. It could be a 1x6, okay? Then take a 1x1 split piece. Okay. Then take this piece. Take a 1x4 plate and a 1x1 plate. Turn around. Take a 1x4 smooth piece and 1x2 smooth piece facing this way. Now take this piece and this piece. Put this smooth piece here. There. Now put this here. There, now it could slide. There. Now take a 2x2. Now I mean 1x2 have a hole here. And it has two holes. There. It needs to have a hole. It's important. Now put this right here. Put a hole. Do the 1x2 hole right there. Okay. Now take a 1x2 brick, put them right there. There. Take a 1x1 brick, put it right here. Then 1x3 brick, put it right there. Take a 2x3 brick, put it right there. 1x2 brick and a 1x1 brick. There. So now you are done your base. So this slide in and you put something in here, it could pour out. Okay. So you need a red key. It's supposed to look like this. And it is 2 stud long. Look. See, it's 2 stud long. Yeah. Here. See, 1, 2. 1, 2. There. So you will put it into the hole right here. Here. There. Then close this. Okay. Okay. And then so now what you need to do is take a 6x6 plate and then put a 1x1 smooth piece and a 1x1 plate here. Yeah. And then put it on top of here. There. Just like that. Okay. And so you're done now. Take a 1x4 plate. Smooth piece. Put it here on top of here. There. Now take this 1x2 bricks, put it right here. There. And take a 1x2 bricks, have a hole, and put it there. Now take this 1x6 bricks, put it right there, and take a 1x3, put it right here. There. Just like this. Here. And now take this 1x3 smooth piece and put it here. There. 1x3 smooth piece, put it right there. Then probably take this. Let's think. Okay. 1x3 bricks. I'll put it right there. There. And then 1x2 bricks, put it right there. Here's what it should look like. Then and now take like a corner piece, put it right here. There. And then take this 1x2 plate and a 1x2 smooth piece on top of it. And then put it right there. Dun. And take the 1x2 brick, put it right there. There. And now, oh wait, guys, I think I messed up. No, wait. So, sorry about this. Okay, take a 1x2 bricks, put it right there, and a 1x3 brick, put it right there. Take this corner piece, put it right here. And now take a 1x1 brick, put it right here. Sorry about that. I keep messing up. Okay, so you could take a 1x1 brick, put it here. There. Then now, time to build this key. It's very easy to build. You just need a 1x3 plate and a 1x2 smooth piece on top. And then take a 1x3 1x3 smooth piece, put it here. There. And now take it and then put it into here. There. Into there. So now you wanna build a key. Looks exactly like this. There. So I can just show you how to build it now. So basically you need a 1x4 plate and a 1x2 plate and a 1x1 plate. Put it there. And then take this, take a 1x3 plate and a 1x2 smooth piece here and a 1x1 plate down there. So now put it here. There. Take this 1x4 smooth piece and then put it there. Okay. So you want to take your box and then put that right there. There we go. Okay. So now what you need to do is take a 2x6 plates and put it. You could take this piece. You could take this piece, put it away later. You will use it later. Okay. Okay. So take a 2x6 plate. Put it right here. There. And now take a 1x1 plate. Put it right here. There. Then now take a corner piece. Put it right here. Corner piece, put it right there. Take a 1x3 plate, put it right here. Yeah. Excuse me. Okay. And now take a 1x1 plate, put it right here. And now take take a 1x2 plate, put it right there. Okay. Then now take a 6x6 plate and then take like a 1x1 smooth piece and a 1x1 plate and put it on top of here. There we go. Then now take a 1x1 brick to put it here and a 1x4 bricks put it right here. There. Now what you need to take a 1x1 brick right here. 2x6 right there, and last 1x6 brick right there. Then now you will take a okay. I'll take this 1x1. I mean a 1x2 split piece. Put it right here. There. And make sure it could slide like this. This piece is a little hard to slide, so I will use another one. Here, this piece, the red one, easy to slide than the black one. Okay. So take a 1x1 smooth piece like this. Put it in here. And there like that. Put it in here and take a 1x4 smooth piece and put it here. There. Now you take a 1x2 plate, put it here. It can drop, but don't worry. Okay. And so you want to have a prize for people, so I could just show you how to build my prize. Okay. Basically take a 1x4 plate and a 1x1 plate. Put a price on top of it, just 2, okay? And take like a 1x1 smooth piece, put it there. It's like a handle for the prize, okay? Okay, put the price in here. There we go. That's and to take a 6x6 plate here. This I have a 4x6 and a 2x6 because I don't have a 6x6 plate, so I just use this. If you guys haven't used it, okay, put it on top. Oh, my precious. Go. Okay, like that, and then take another there. Okay. So the last part you need to do it. You wanna make your roofs very smooth. Okay, but if you don't want to make it smooth, it's your choice. But I want to make it smooth. So you're going to make it by yourself. You don't need to learn by me. You could make it a pattern or something like that. And I don't know. Okay, so you want to copy mine? You could. Okay, so take a 1x6 plate. No, a smooth piece. Put it there. And then a 1x2 smooth piece there. And another 1x2 smooth piece. Then put it there. Now take another 1x2 smooth piece. Put it there. And another 1x2 smooth piece here. And another one here. And another one here. And another one. No, this one is a 1x4 per smooth piece. Then put it there, and another one put it there. Check number 2 smooth piece, put it there. Another one, put it here. And the last piece, take a 1x6 there. So you're almost done. Now you just need to put your key inside. So this key, put it inside here. Okay, I can't get it in. I don't know why. Like jam or something. Okay, finally. There. And now this piece. Now it's going to be hard to put it in. So make sure to be careful. So first, put it in like this first. this and push it in like that, and then slide it in there. Okay, so that is how you make my fourth Lego puzzle box. I hope you can enjoy, and bye bye.